Hey everybody, I just want to take a minute to talk a little bit about function notation. So basically it's really just an exercise in order of operations. A function is an operation, and as you can see here we have f of x equals x plus 3. So what happens is we take a value called the input, we're going to place it in here where this term is, and we're going to get an output, we're going to get something out of it. So let's just take an example. We're going to go f of 7. So we want to evaluate f of 7. So 7 is going to go where the x is. So 7 plus 3, which of course is 10. So we would say f of 7 equals 10. Okay, so this would be our input. Okay, and let me zoom in a little bit so you can see a little better. And this would be our output. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. So let's say we have g of n, right? And g of n is going to be 2n minus 4, right? Okay, and that's asking us to find g of negative 3. Well, we're going to take this negative 3 and plug it in where the n was, right? So we're going to say 2, and negative 3 will go where that n was, okay? And we're going to still follow our order of operations. We're going to multiply before we subtract. So 2 times negative 3 would be negative 6, minus 4 would be negative 10. So g of negative 3 would be negative 10. All right, so this is our input, this is our output. As an ordered pair, this would be our x value, this would be our y value if we were graphing it. All right, so that's a real quick and dirty, just super simple, overview of function notation. It's just it's something you've probably already seen before. Maybe you've used it without even realizing it. It just allows us to plug in values into a function and get something out of it. And we're going to be using that for the next day or two. All right, thanks guys.